everyone, welcome to Imelda online class. My name is Mixed Imelda. We are going to be learning the letters of the alphabet with their sound. We will continue from where we stopped. Letter I sounds I. I. Can you do the sound? I. I as in ink. Say it again. Ink. Letter J sounds J, 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 as in jug, as in jug. Letter K sounds K, 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 as in kettle. Can you do the sound? K, kettle. Letter L sounds L, L, as in leg, leg. Letter M sounds as in meal, monkey. Letter N sounds Can you do that? As in net, net. Letter O sounds as in octopus, as in octopus. Letter P sounds as in pencil. Can you say the sound? Good job. As in pencil. Letter Q sounds letter Q sounds again, again. I can't hear you. You're doing a great job. As in quack. Well, have you heard the dog makes the sound? Quack, 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 quack. Good job. Letter R sounds rrr, rrr. Have you seen a puppy rip the rag? And when the puppy is ripping the rag, what sound do you hear? Rrr, rrr. Good job. Letter S. Letter S sounds S. Which animal makes this sound? Can you remember? Can you think of the animal that makes this sound? S. Yes, it's a snake. It's a what? Snake. S as in snake. As in snake. Clap for yourself. Good. Letter T sounds T. Letter T sounds T. Again, T. Again, T. Again, T. Good job. T as in table. T as in what? Table. Techniques. Good job. Letter U sounds up. Letter U sounds up, as in umbrella, as in umbrella. Say it again. Umbrella. Well done. Now we move over to letter V. Letter V sounds V. Have you seen Mr. V driving around the village with the van? Good, that's what the sound the van makes. Letter W. Letter W makes us sound W. Again, W. Again, W. As in window. As in window. Now, letter X. Letter X makes us sound X. Again, X. Louder. X. As in xylophone. As in xylophone. And letter Y makes what sound? Yi. Again, yi. Again, yi. Again, yi. Again, yi. As in yam. As in yo-yo. Good job. You are doing well. Now the last sounds, but not the least, we'll go over to letter Z. Letter what? Z, which is Z. It makes the B sound. Z. Say it again. Z. as in zebra, as in zebra. Clap for yourself. You are doing well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye for now.